All right, so here we go. Final break of the year, 2012 National Treasure Box Break number 2. 234. Oh, my goodness. I did. I got it downstairs, yes. Party Crew goes, you don't know me too well. I'm not that nice. All right, man. Well, that makes me feel better. Thank you. All right. Box number 2. 4 boxes total in the case, and here we go. Good luck, guys. Oh, sweet little angel. National Treasures. All right, Boomer Esiason. One out of 99. Going to Cincy, 8-man. Then you got Jimmy Graham, 18.99. Does anybody remember the 3 cards Pack Dave's looking for to complete? Pack Dave was crazy enough to put together the master set of National Treasures, which he's a crazy bird. Derek McFadden, 99 out of 99, Oaktown. Then you got Chuck Howley, 30 out of 49. Jamal Charles. Going to KC all day. Vike. There you go, player. Is that B-Rad? That might be B-Rad. 18 out of 25. There you go, buddy. Good to see you back if that's you. If not, it's good to see you here regardless. Here's Ryan Tannehill. And that's 39 out of 49 going to Miami. Ray. Then you got the dirtiest bird alive, Mark Sanchez. Going to the Big E. It's 5 out of 5, brother. There you go. 4 other lucky people have that card, but you make the 5th. So, there you go, buddy. Then you got Franco Harris going to Seattle. Spidey Soccer, 14. 11 out of 35. There you go, bub. Then you got Demarius Johnson going to Philadelphia. Health coach. There he is. 46.99. Then you got little baby Phil Simms. Going to Andy Man. 9 out of 10 Phil Simms. I feel like I've hit all 10 of these Phil Simms. And it's a Redempa shown, which means we just toss it out. Well, we don't toss it out. It's going to the Big E. Man, I thought it was going to be a little baby Russ, but it's a rookie colossal jersey number. Signatures, Justin Blackmon. Man, oh man. Box 2. Oh.